like, if you ever decide to sell this car, please get in touch with me. It was parked right here. See this visitor spot is?
This spot right here.
Where's the battery? Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
I'm so proud, bro. I hate these motherfuckers at the Subaru.
Jeez.
These guys are they're fucking retards.
Oh.
Shit's a mess, bro.
Ooh, what are those?
The nigga said he put it like on a fucking Canada broadcast too, like our provincial broadcast. Like, if he sees my car driving again, like at that height, he'll fucking impound me.
Fuck. What a waste, man. Look at that, Islington Station.
I'll show you exactly where I got pulled over. I got that fucking long ass ticket though. Literally right here, on the just before this light, on the side of the road, right here.
Yep, right there.
Right there.
Right there.
David Strasberg, a fucking big dip in the road, and it must have hit like 120, bro. And all you feel is all four wheels catch air, bro. And I look at John, and he's just like, holy fuck, bro, that's how you drive a suit. He's like snapping, bro. Stay there, you fucking piece of shit. Stay there. That little tracks out banger, do you know this guy?
No.
What is that? What kind of car is that?
04 W 05
Oh, 5 what?
WRX.
It's a WRX, eh?
Yeah.
What happened to the, where's the Subaru sign?
It's the Japanese one.
It's the Japanese one?
Yeah.
I've not seen that before.
Yeah, it's straight from Japan. The whole grill. The whole front end is off of the Japanese STI.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it from?
The front end? The front end was bought at a Japanese import store in Mississauga.
Oh, it's the whole front end, eh?
Yeah.
How's it drive?
Drives awesome. Good power. It makes 301 wheel horsepower.
That's quick, eh?
Yeah.
Sometimes the Porsche comes beside you, got one to go.
Some Porsche I give to, some of them not. M3s and ones to beat up on.
What happened when all the other guy when the Porsche comes over, you beat him? Right?
They feel pretty bad. Like when you're coming up like steep hills, it sometimes scrapes the front lip, but that's about it.
Still pretty young, right?
Yeah.
It's cool.
Fucking owner?
Oh, he was saying like nice car and everything.
video saying like it was dope and shit. Oh, fuck. Wow, I'm fucking really good at this slam thing, bro. I'm fucking really good.
Have to make a quick stop. Blah by STI on fucking Volk Race.
No, it's just a WX.
Whatever.
Oh no, it is an STI.
That's where we're headed.
No, that's fun. That's
So, dude. We just got an oil change done on the Subi at a Toyota dealership. All I want is frameless doors. Oh man, no frame.